This one is for the busy moms and dads who just want to throw something quick and easy in the crock pot for a delicious dinner. Elise Jackson of Beehive Meal Prep is back with us, always bringing delicious food. And you've got some carne asada.
Yes, we have actually two different meals today. First, we're going to talk about yours. So it is taco night over there. So we have our carne asada tacos. I love to serve these with the uncooked flour tortillas. I've already cooked those for you. So if you want to grab one of those.
And these are like the traditional street taco size, right? I love
yes,
it.
the mini size. So put that on your plate. You can load it up with a little bit of lettuce.
I like how you put the lettuce first. I'm always putting it on the top.
Yeah, I like just the color on the bottom for that one.
Okay.
So you get the lettuce on the bottom.
Okay.
And then open up the crock pot there, and you'll use those other little tongs, or those ones. That's great too.
I see them. I see them. Okay.
Put your carne asada on there.
Okay, wait. Maybe I'll just go with this one. All right.
Okay, so your carne asada, and then I like to load it with some pico de gallo, some feta cheese there, and then if you want some fresh lime, you can put that on as well.
Okay, am I getting all the stuff on there?
Yes, so then your feta, and then if you want that fresh lime.
Well, let me ask you about the carne asada. So it comes in packages.
Yes, so our meals are right here. So the carne asada come packaged like this, and then it just goes in your crock pot. Follow the cooking instructions, and then it just makes a really good base for your dinners that you can build off of to create a full meal.
Yeah.
So I also have, like, you could potentially serve it with like your chips and your guacamole there, and then you have a delicious taco night.
This is yum, and you really didn't have to do much.
No, so you just throw it in there. I pulled it out, shredded the beef, put it back in there, and then we have an amazing taco night.
Oh, kids love this.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, so over here we're going to jump over to our Tuscan chicken. So we have our Tuscan chicken already plated here. Again, it comes in these packages. We vacuum seal everything. It has a pasta add-on as well. So that's that. So I'm going to go over just quick how easy it is. So I'm going to throw together a really quick salad. So we can just, this is just a heart of romaine. I'm going to put it in there, do a little bit more, and then we're just going to throw in some simple toppings. So we've got our diced tomatoes there. I'm going to throw in, we have our
cucumbers.
Let's throw in, I love these peppers if you want a little bit of a kick. And then some croutons. And then that is a simple, just quick and easy salad that you can add to your salad.
And what's the dressing?
So then I like to always have a couple different options. So my kids tend to do ranch, and then I like more of like a balsamic vinegar. So I always have those two options that we can add to our meal. And then we do just have a quick garlic bread. This is just a butter olive oil mixture with some parsley and salt. And so I just spread this on. You'll just spread this across the whole thing.
Does this come with the meal, or you're just saying
no?
Add it
So
on
this
to
is
your meal?
So this just helps. We provide the base. So we provide the carne asada meat, and then you add it on your.
If you want the sides, if you want the salad, or if you want the garlic bread.
And it just makes it more like a gourmet dinner. It gives you the whole experience of this dinner. So we provide a good base, and then you add a couple sides, and you have.
But can you imagine, say, if you have maybe a few, like maybe you're inviting a family, if you can, or you're quarantining with them, and you do need a bigger meal, this is perfect to add on, or you can just have it as is.
Right, yeah. Each of our meals, it comes with, an order comes with 10 different meals, and they each serve 5 to 6 servings. So they come with those servings, and then this is just helping like bulk up that meal, make it go a little bit further if you need it to.
Well, and then surprisingly, those meals come in that little bag right there, right? Yeah. And you're just dumping it in the crock pot, and you can have definitely, how many servings did you say again?
5 to 6 for these ones, and then we do have a bigger size as well.
And it comes out to what, $3 per serving?
Yes.
So think about that, because you have tons of leftovers.
Right.
For the most part.
Yeah, it saves us so much money. So.
Okay, where do we find you? You've got a discount for folks who are listening right now.
Yes, we are at beehivemills.com, and then the discount code today is Good Things Utah for $10 off your order.
$10 off. That's amazing. And I'm just going to dig in right now. I love the spread, and again, so many varieties on your website.
Yes. Yeah, each order comes with 10 different meals, so you're going to get a good variety in your order. You won't get bored of dinner.
Elise, Taco Tuesday, cheers.
Yeah.
All right, Brian, up next, Equity and Opportunity Commission in Utah.
And then still ahead, your phone can attract a lot of germs. See that new gadget that helps keep it sterilized. And on GQ at 10, candies, candles, cool hair accessories. See a few of the great gift ideas perfect for Valentine's Day. But first, here's what's coming up on the rest of the show, including a new children's book from America's hottest new author. And later, great fashion trends for spring.